Hi everyone, it's Eddie here, and today I want to do a little show and tell with you and unbox or unenvelope my recent order from PM Artist Studio. And I've only opened the envelope. I haven't opened it completely yet. I do know what I ordered, but I just want you to know I haven't opened it yet, so I haven't seen these in person. And these include one of my newest stamps too. They package stuff very well, and it's great because you get these little wonderful, I forgot what they call this paper, but it's really nice and smooth. And you can jelly print on it, or you can just use it for your own, like storage or whatever, or sending happy mail. And so you get their info card. And if you're not familiar with PM Artist Studio, they are a family-run business out of Texas, America. And they live stream on YouTube Sundays, Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. And they do all sorts of mixed media, arty stuff, and more. We'll just leave it at that. But they also make, they produce stencils and foam stamps, among, that's their main thing. And I'm one of their designers, if you didn't know. So, you can often find me in their live streams, chatting away and, being the gracious host that I am. Chuckle, chuckle. Anyway, so you get this wonderful info card that explains their reward point system for their website. So every time you make a purchase, you earn points. You earn points on your birthday. There's once in a while, mainly during a holiday or something, they will do a double point promotion where you get double points in all your purchases. So definitely check that out. All the info for them is in my the description box below this video. So in this little packet, you're gonna get a little mini stencil, just something fun to play with, mark making, and then you get some of Patricia's artwork. And she is that's Patricia. She's a former art teacher, but a phenomenal artist. And this is Mariah, her daughter, also a phenomenal artist. And yeah, it's a great honor to work with them. And they send you these awesome prints. It's funny that they sent me these prints because this design is one of my stencils called Diamond Rings. So I appreciate that. Thank you very much. And I save these. I kind of just hoard them. Maybe one day I'll make a little book out of all of them, but they're precious to me, so I keep them safely tucked away. Let's get to the good stuff. All right, we got an envelope inside an envelope. Let's see here. So what is this one? Aha! These are from Becky Bokern, and they are, I gotta check it out really quick on the website because I always forget what they call them, but because I always come up with fun names. But these are just male, female, or they're called female male symbols. And these are the foam stamps, and they're out to celebrate Pride Month, which is what we're in right now, June 2025. So that is fantastic. And then we have lips. These come, I believe, in 3 different styles. I got these 2 here. And then these beads, these are Becky's as well. And these are called, I think they're just called Becky's beads. Yeah, Becky's bead strips. And these are great for mark making. Really, really cool. We've got our lips here, and then Love is Love. This is another one for Becky for Pride Month. It's a wonderful message, and I think it's just a great thing to have for your artwork. Really beautiful. Okay, that's round one. Round two. Ooh-wee. All right, so let's discuss this one. Oh, look at that. Now, this one is a hibiscus flower, and this is from fellow designer Christy Hartman. And she does wonderful things, wonderful designs. I decided that I didn't have enough flowers in my stamp collection, enough, good, decent stamps of flowers. So I decided to indulge myself and get Christie's hibiscus. And then I got from Darcy Sanders, this is her zinnia flower. This is style 1. I believe it comes in 2 styles. I love it. I'm gonna have fun with these. I'm trying to think of ideas, and there's a lot going on in the head right now. But yeah, in this following week, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with these. This is another set from Darcy. They come as single flowers or as a set. These are called patched flowers, and they're so adorable. Look at that. And they stamp really well. I've seen them stamped off. If you go to the website, you will see pictures. The photos of the stamps also have the image that they create on a piece of paper, so you can see how they stamp off. And these are great. I mean, they all stamp off great. So, and then we have we got another Love is Love. We got 2 Love is Love. I don't know why I did that, but that's okay. We have here also, this is from Carrie the Crafter. This is bubble wrap. So he designed this to mimic bubble wrap for your mark making. This comes, I believe, in 3 styles. This is style 3. And I love it. I love it. I love these stamps too because they're nice and lightweight. They're not heavy. They're not hard on the hand. And like these bad boys, the big ones, they're great for me. I got a huge paw, so very easy for me to stamp on with these. I want to look at that. So the next one is Mid Mod Blocks, and this is designed by Brad over at PM Artist Studio. And it's the large duo. They come in different sizes. So there's a large duo, a small duo, or you can get all 4 as a combo when you order it. So I got the larger one. I think these are going to be great for all sorts of mark making and having fun. And then these are mine. This is Out Loud and Proud. This is my contribution to the Pride collection on the PM Artist Studio website, and I'm very excited to use these. This was like a last-minute design. I just wrote it out, and that's what we got. And Mariah and Brad were amazing, and they said, yeah, we'll do it. We'll get it done. They got it done in a day. So thank you very much. They're wonderful. Yeah, so I love my new haul. I'm so excited. So again, these designers that I have here, we have Darcy Sanders, yours truly. These are Becky's. These lips and the mods, those are PM Artist Studio. This is a Christy Hartman design, and this is Carrie the Crafter. So I've got a great selection from some great designers, including myself, over at PM Artist Studio, and I'm excited to get playing with these. So thanks for watching this quick video, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And if you're feeling generous, share it with a friend. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.